Hello, you're watching NewsX, and the big story of the hour is the stampede that happened at Mahakumbh. So that's the latest that we are coming to know. The tragedy struck at Mahakumbh Mela as a stampede has broken out at Sangam during a massive crowd that gathered at the ghats of the Triveni Sangam for the Amrit Snan on the occasion of Mauni Amavasya, leaving several people injured. The incident occurred as millions of devotees assembled for the holy dip, marking the peak of the 6-week-long event. And authorities are now working to manage the aftermath of this devastating incident. And further details are still awaited. We have with us my colleague Arzu Seth joining us on the telecast. Arzu, what are the details that are coming in terms of this deadly stampede that has taken place at Mahakumbh?
The millions of devotees have reached to the Mahakumbh to be the part of the Mahakumbh Mela and also to be the take a holy dip in the Triveni Sangam on the occasion of the Mauni Amavasya. And a stampede-like situation occurred nearly at around 2 to 3 a.m. In the morning when the overcrowd, together the thousands of devotees reached to the Sangam Ghat, and at that point, some of the elderly and the women fainted, and the barricades have also broken, and due to which several others got injured. And now also we got the information around 25 to 30 people have also taken to the hospital, the central hospital which has been set up here in the Mela area. The green corridor has been prepared to take all of them to the hospital, and also all the officials are on ground. And earlier also since the evening the announcement was being made to keep in mind that you can take a holy bath wherever you are near the tent area. And right now you can see the visuals also.